Sato is building the future through ID tagging. Beyond the factory or distribution center, Sato connects people and things with data for more value from the consumer perspective. Every day, we wake up, work, shop, and eat. Being able to analyze the motions in our daily lives should lead to greater value for businesses. Next-generation tagging technology enables communication between things and devices using battery-free Bluetooth chips that are small, thin, and lightweight. This new technology makes it possible for data that used to be nearly impossible to get, including temperature and movement of objects, to be accessed remotely. In all kinds of workplaces, from offices to restaurants, technologies like this can be used in customized services that analyze data about people and products. They can even do things like remind you when it's time to restock certain items or give you recommendations on outfits. When data connects people and products, new customer experiences can be born. Keeping your business moving and connected, starting from where you are.